Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Google Slides presentation efficiently. Google Slides is a versatile and widely used tool, perfect for creating presentations. However, knowing how to properly save your work is crucial to ensure your ideas are secure and can be accessed later. Let's dive in and cover the simple steps to save your Google Slides presentation. First, navigate to Google Slides by opening your web browser and typing in slides.google.com. Once you've arrived at the Google Slides page, sign in using your Google account credentials. This is essential, as it ensures that all your work is saved to your Google Drive and can be accessed from anywhere. If you don't have an account yet, it's a good idea to create one. It's free and comes with plenty of features beyond just storage. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you can start a new presentation from scratch by selecting the blank presentation option, or choose from the many templates available to suit your needs. Templates are especially handy if you want a polished structure right from the beginning. Once your presentation is open and you've made your edits or additions, it's time to save your work to your local device. To do this, click on the File menu in the top left corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, hover over Download, which will reveal several file format options. This is where you decide which format works best for you. Google Slides allows you to download your presentation as a Microsoft PowerPoint file, a PDF document, a plain text file, or even as individual images, among others. If you're presenting on a device that doesn't support Google Slides directly, downloading as a PowerPoint file is recommended. Alternatively, saving as a PDF is a great choice if you want to ensure your presentation looks the same on any device. After choosing your preferred format, your computer will download the file. Depending on your browser settings, you may be prompted to select a save location, or it might automatically go to your default downloads folder. Be sure to remember where it's saved or move it to a folder where you can easily find it later. And that's it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've securely saved your Google Slides presentation. With these instructions, you're now equipped to handle your presentations confidently. The more you practice, the more natural the process will feel over time. Thanks for watching.